Hello everyone. In the last session, I explained ideal and non-ideal solutions. In this session, I am going to explain azeotropes. First, we know the what is azeotrope. The constant boiling point mixture is called as azeotrope. What I am saying, the constant boiling point mixture is called as azeotrope. In case of azeotrope, the composition of liquid as well as vapor is same. Therefore, we cannot separate the component liquids by fractional distillation process. So what I am saying, what is azeotrope? The constant boiling point mixture is called as azeotrope. In case of azeotropes, the composition of liquid as well as vapor is same. Therefore, the component liquids cannot be separated by fractional distillation process. Here, the azeotropes are formed by only non-ideal solutions. Azeotropes are formed by only non-ideal solutions. Here, these are two types. How many types are there? Two types are there. What are they? Minimum boiling point azeotrope and maximum boiling point azeotrope. Minimum boiling point azeotrope and maximum boiling point azeotrope. First, we know the what is the minimum boiling point azeotrope. The boiling point of azeotrope is less than the boiling point of any one of the component or both components. Such azeotropes are called as minimum boiling point azeotrope. Let us see this graph. Here at this point, let us see this graph. At this point, point A, it has a maximum boiling point value. And this is a component B, this is a boiling point of the component B liquid. But this A and B are mixed in different proportions. The azeotropic mixture is formed at point C. So at this point, the azeotropic mixture is formed means the constant boiling point mixture is formed. So such type of solutions are called as minimum boiling point azeotropes. Here the better examples of minimum boiling point azeotropes: water and ethyl alcohol or water and ethanol. How much percent of ethanol is there? 95.97% of ethanol is there. And second one is pyridine and water. In this one 57% pyridine is there. Next ethanol and benzene. In this one 32.4% ethanol is there. And next acetic acid and toluene, 28% acetic acid is there. Here the boiling points of these azeotropes is less than the both components. That's why these are the better examples of minimum boiling point azeotropes. Minimum boiling point azeotropes. Next, we go for the maximum boiling point azeotropes. Maximum boiling point azeotropes. In case of maximum boiling point azeotropes, the boiling point of azeotropic mixture is more than the both components. Example, nitric acid and water. If you observe the nitric acid and water, the nitric acid and water mixture form azeotropic mixture. In that azeotropic mixture, 68, what is the percent of nitric acid? 68% of nitric acid, and remaining percent is water. And second one is acetic acid and pyridine. Here 65% of pyridine is there. Its a constant boiling point is 139 degrees centigrade at 1 atmospheric pressure. Next one is chloroform and acetone. 80% of chloroform is present. Its boiling point is 65 degrees centigrade. So if you observe this graph, if you Observe this graph. Let us see this one. Let us see this graph. Here at this point A, this is the boiling point of pure liquid A, and at this point boiling point of pure liquid B. If this A and B are mixed in different proportions, that is 68% of nitric acid and 32% of water, it form a azeotropic mixture. Therefore, its boiling point is more than the component A and component B. Therefore, this type of mixture are called as maximum boiling point azeotrophs. So here you have to remember graph also and examples. In the previous advanced paper, they asked the graph, which of the following graph indicate the maximum boiling point azeotrophs. Therefore, everyone should remember this one. Thank you.